Hey Central Texas, if you got smashed by that hailstorm on Mother's Day, you're probably thinking, maybe I shouldn't file a hail damage claim because my insurance rates are gonna go up. Well, I'm gonna tell you why you shouldn't worry about that, or why you should, just after this. Okay, so at Harker Heights Ceramic Coatings, we started offering paintless dent repair and hail damage repair. Starting really soon, we're moving into a big new shop, and we're taking on paintless dent repair and hail damage as one of our services. And so part of that is I've been talking to a lot of people that got damaged in the hailstorm, just like I did. I had 2 cars damaged. I had 3 cars damaged the last time we had a hailstorm, and my guys are the ones who fixed it all of the time. So what I'm going to tell you is what insurance agents have told me, and that is, do not be afraid to file a hail damage claim in fear that your insurance premiums may go up. Now, your insurance premiums may go up, but it's not going to be necessarily because you filed a claim. There's no reason to not file a claim because 100,000 other people almost, or 100,000 cars in Central Texas were damaged by hail, and they're all filing claims. So this may not apply to somebody who is in a region that doesn't get frequent hail. But here in Central Texas, we get frequent hail usually once a year for a few months, and sometimes they can be pretty severe. So the insurance agencies, they know that, and they take into account the total number of hail damage claims each year when they're factoring your insurance premium. So if you live in an area with no natural disasters, you're not worrying about hurricanes, tornadoes, hail damage, wind, you just are in that perfect area, your rates are going to be lower than a place like Central Texas that gets hit by hail, or Florida that gets hit by hurricanes, and so forth and so on. So the insurance companies are already taking into account the fact that the vast majority of Central Texas are filing hail damage claims. So you filing your hail damage claim or resisting filing it, it's not going to impact the overall region. And that's why if you have hail damage and it bothers you, you should absolutely give us a call and let us fix your hail damage. I have the best team in Central Texas working on it, and I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed.